Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the topic nature and composition of substance objective questions. Those are very important for your upcoming examinations. In the chemistry, there are first question that is the father of modern chemistry is. The name is Lavoisier. Question number second, a pure substance can only be an element or compound. The third question, the credit for the discovery of the transuranic element goes to. Name is C. Borg. Question number 4, the most abundant metal in the earth crust is aluminium. Which one of the following is not an element? Is ozone. Question number 6, an alloy is a mixture. Question number 7, name of the scientist who started that matter can be converted into energy. Einstein. Question number 8, sodium carbonate crystals lose water molecules. This property is called efflorescence. Question number 9, the law of constant proportions were enunciated by Proust. Question number 10, the best standard of atomic mass is, that is C12, carbon 12. Question number 11, what is the value of 1 AMU is equal to? 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the minus 24 gram G. Question number 12, the substances that are composed of two or more different elements in a fixed proportion by mass called compound. Question number 13, the product of the equivalent weight and valency of an element is equal to atomic weight. Next question, which one is not a metal? All. Milk is a mixture. The next question, air is a mixture. Next question, which one is the pure element? Sodium is the pure element. The next question, question 18, which one is compound in the following? Ammonia. Question 19, diamond is an element. Question 20, which one of the following laws directly explain the law of conservation of mass? Avogadro's law. Question 21, the MKS system was first introduced by Georgi. Which of the following is a mixture? Both B and C, that is gasoline and liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. Question 25, a mixture of sand and naphthalene can be separated by sublimation process. Question 24, in known elements the maximum number is of metals. A gas is found to have the formula CO bracket N. It is the vapor density is 70. The value of N must be. The right answer is 5. Question 26, the isotopes of chlorine with mass number 35 and 37 exist the ratio 3:1. Question 27, the mass of one atom of hydrogen is approximately 1.6 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. Question 28, the total number of electrons present in 18 ml of water, density of water is 1 g/ml. The answer is 6.02 into 10 to the minus 24. 6.02 into 10 to the power 24 plus. The next question, question 29, what is the unit of bar? Bar is the unit of pressure. Question number 30, this MS metal is widely used in manufacture of which of the following? Cigarette lighters. Next question, which one of the following is not a mixture? mercury. Among the given nutritions, milk is a poor source of vitamin C, ozone, and oxygens are allotropes. The next question, which of the following is an element? Silicon. Question 35, which one of the following mixture is a homogeneous? Methanol and water. Which one of the following substance does not have a melting point? Glass. Question 37, how many electrons are there in a sodium plus Na plus? There are 11. Question 38, which one among the following is the heaviest? 1 mole of sodium atoms. Question 39, how many moles are there in 140 gram of silicon? Atomic mass of silicon is 28. The right answer is 5. The next question, question number 40, which one of the following elements is the purest conductor of heat? The right answer is lead. Next question, which is the element present in urea? Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. CONH. Next question, an element X from an oxide XO3, what is the valency of X? 6. What is the number of p atoms in 1 mole of P4? 2.409 into 10 to the power 24. The next question, question number 44. Consider the following statements. Equivalent weight of the compound is the weight it that combines with or displaces tightly. 1.008 part by the weight of hydrogen and 35.45 part by weight of chlorine. The next question, question number 45. Consider the following elements. There 2 and 3, gold and platinum. The next question, question number 46. Which one of the following laws explain the formation of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide from carbon and oxygen? Law of multiple proportion. Which one of the following laws explain the formation of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide from carbon and oxygen? Law of multiple proportion. Thanks for watching and sharing.